Alright, so someone asked how to make objects disappear slowly tutorial. It's called transparency. So open up a test studio or whatever you're gonna animate in, and you will need to select a part. Do not select the models. Do not select the model. Select the part, and scroll down here and press transparency. Oh. Select, make sure there's not two parts, or else it won't select. So get the transparency, and then you add a track or you add a keyframe, and you check the value is 0, and then you add another keyframe and change the second keyframe to value 1, and then the value will depending on what value you put, it will make the cube or whatever part it is disappear like that. And you can change the speed using either easings or just moving your keyframe. Like, you can change the value. It doesn't have to be 1. 1 is just 1 equals completely invisible to 0.5. And change it how you like. Then you also have humanoids or models that are animatable, like this rig here. You see how it says rig in C-frame? Don't animate those. You open the model and choose all the parts that you want to animate. Do not animate the humanoid root part because it is already completely invisible. There's no point. So select transparency, and there is an issue with this, which is faces. That when you animate them, so you see when you turn a character completely invisible, you will have the face that is still floating there. Just add the transparency and it shouldn't be too much of an issue. Just like that, so gone. And honestly, it's very simple to do. It's just with humanoids, depending on how many parts there are, it does take up a lot of space in your timeline or track, and it kind of sucks. But I heard Moon is going to update like stuff like groups, so it'll be easy to do stuff like this. It won't take up as much track space. So that will help. But as of right now, you're just stuck with making things disappear like that. But anyways, you have parts like blood that you need to animate, so decals on other parts besides faces. You can animate the transparency, same thing as a decal for a face. Not too difficult. Just do the same thing you did with the face earlier. It's just like a part. So yeah, that is just the basics for transparency for Moon Animator. Goodbye.